Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. IMS reported an absolutely phenomenal Q3, and while there is some debate out there, some people saying it was an exceptional quarter, others saying it was nothing special and that IMS is still just a GLP-1 company or a boner pill company, my view is clear. I've never been this bullish on IMS before. Let's dive into why. First of all, the numbers were incredible. Revenue came in at $599 million, very close from crossing $600 million for the first time ever. That's a 49% year-over-year growth. Operating cash flow hit a record $149 million, up 74% year-over-year. These results perfectly represent how much IMS has evolved in recent years. As the company said, over the past few years, how we serve our customers has evolved in extraordinary ways. We started by helping people access simple, effective treatments for a narrow set of conditions. Then we expanded into personalized, multi-condition care, giving customers a single place to manage a wide variety of health challenges with solutions tailored to them. Now, the only metric that might raise a bit of concern is subscriber growth. IMS surpassed 2.5 million subscribers but added just about 30,000 this quarter, which is up 20% year-over-year, lower than what we have seen before. But here's the key. This isn't alarming, and there is a clear reason behind it. As mentioned in the Q2 call, IMS has been intentionally transitioning sexual health customers, what used to be its core business, from in-demand offerings to daily sexual health offerings. These not only generate higher revenue, but also come with better customer retention. If you exclude the impact of this sexual health transition, subscriber growth in Q3 was actually above 40% year-over-year. Management expects the effects of this transition to fade significantly in the second half of next year. Even more importantly, subscribers using personalized treatment plans increased 50%, while those using multi-condition plans grew over 80% year-over-year, now making up more than 20% of all subscribers. That's huge. It shows IMS isn't just a telemedicine company where people drop in occasionally to buy pills. It's becoming a comprehensive health platform, one that customers rely on to treat most of their conditions. As IMS keep adding new verticals, and there will eventually be hundreds, users will be able to handle almost all of their health needs through the platform. That means IMS is positioning itself to offer what could become the most valuable subscription in the world, the subscription to stay healthy. The most important thing is that the flywheel IMS built just keeps spinning and strengthening. As I've said many times, every new subscriber generates new and richer data. That data helps refine IMS model, allowing it to offer even more personalized treatments. That increases the value delivered per dollar spent, which attracts even more new subscribers. And the cycle repeats, the flywheel keeps turning. And there is a clear proof that IMS is benefiting from economies of scale and reinvesting that efficiency back into the customer experience. As mentioned in the Q3 call, we recently reduced price across personalized GLP-1 treatment plans by up to 20%, expanding access to more customers seeking effective weight management care. IMS also outlined its plan to eventually serve tens of millions of subscribers. Here's how. First, expanding access to existing specialties. This means reducing prices and making treatments affordable for more and more people. Staying on the topic of GLP-1s, management said, by the end of 2026, we plan to be in position to fulfill the majority of compounded GLP-1 orders through our own internal facilities, an important milestone that we believe will accelerate our journey. Recently, our progress on this front put us in a position to strategically reduce prices across our compounded GLP-1 treatment plans by as much as 20%, unlocking access for more customers seeking support in their weight loss journey. We are confident that with continued execution, we can lead industry efforts to provide broader access to these life-changing medications. Second, launch new treatments that resonate with both new customers and existing customers. The new HRT vertical, testosterone for men and menopause and perimenopause for women, will unlock significant long-term growth. It extends IMS' reach to tens of millions of potential new subscribers, while deepening relationship with current ones. And given IMS' proven cross-selling ability, this will be massive. Third, move toward proactive health and longevity. IMS plans to launch comprehensive lab testing soon paving the way for its longevity specialty in 2026. Lab testing will give IMS a huge new pool of data, letting it engage customers earlier in their health journey, even before conditions appear. The goal is to help people stay healthy proactively, not just treat illness. Fourth, become the platform competitors rely on. IMS want to host as many treatments as possible, whether it's Wegovy or other medicines from big pharma company or innovative services from smaller startups. In Q3, for instance, IMS invested in Grail, which focuses on pre-cancer diagnostic testing. This kind of partnership lets IMS expand its offerings and dataset without having to build everything in-house, while giving smaller companies exposure to IMS more than 2.5 million subscribers. Last but not least, international expansion. IMS already acquired Zava, adding 160 million adults to its addressable market and establishing a strong foothold across the UK, Germany, France, and Ireland. This quarter, it launched in Spain, adding another 39 million adults and plans to launch in Canada in early 2026. Future targets include Brazil, Australia, and other Latin American and Asian markets. The management team put it best. We believe IMS and Hers can become the largest global consumer health platform, bringing direct-to-consumer access to personalized care to more customers than any company in the world. One last highlight, the Hers segment. The launch of the menopause specialty will be a major growth engine for the brand, expanding IMS' reach to millions of women. And again, thanks to strong cross-selling, many of these women will likely start with one treatment and then move on to manage multiple conditions through the platform. This segment alone could drive Hers toward more than $1 billion in annual revenue in 2026. To wrap up, Q3 was phenomenal. A 50% growth rate, a clear path toward becoming the platform the entire industry will rely on, and a realistic roadmap to becoming the largest global consumer health platform. I remain super bullish on IMS, and yeah, I'm not selling a single share, and in fact, I plan to increase my position. I hope you enjoyed this breakdown and see you in the next one.